Hello, I'm doing an unboxing video today on a Junichy humidifier. Just by looking at the box, looks like a nice size humidifier. It's a 5.5 liter. On the box, it tells you the voltage, the name, the output, the noise, caution tips. Right on the box. Explains a lot about it on there. Okay. So as I open the box, there is a quick start guide right on there telling you how to set it up, and also a warranty that you can add on it as well. As I open it up, there is a manual on the humidifier that has some more instructions, how to clean it, troubleshoot it, all of that right on here. And open it. It's covered in styrofoam. I can get that, sorry. Here's the humidifier. Kind of pulled it off by accident. So just by looking at it, it's very nice quality. Very sturdy plastic material where you can tell it won't break easily like I've had others that have. A nice removable top that's easy to clean, and it has a nice size hole that twists through the humidity that you want to come out. And then in the inside, it's a nice size water tank that has a warning label for where you don't put the water in. That's where the steam comes out of, the humidity. There's a nice size tank. And on the back, there's a max fill marker. I actually show, you can fit a lot of water, so it's not going to run out fast like the smaller ones. So you don't have to worry about keeping going back and forth to keep refilling it, which is a big plus for me. Then here is the on and off switch, which you can choose how high of humidity, smoke that you want to come out of it, which is like a nice easy knob. Also, looks like it also comes apart on the tank, so where the water goes on the bottom, you can clean it up, from sitting water, clean any grime. This looks like water scales, which is really nice, so it's easy to come apart, easy to clean, which I like that. It seems like a very well built, overall great quality product, and I'll be making a video soon on how it works. Thank you.